Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Yeah. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Agyanatimirandasya Jananjana Salakaya. Chaksurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave. Sri Chaitanya. This is from introduction if you want to also recite together. This is from the introduction. That is we read every time before we read Bhagavad Gita. If you want, you can together. Start from Om Agyanati and Miranda Sadatman. Okay? Might be a little bit fast. Go to the introduction. Om Agyanati Miranda Dasa Jananjana Salakayam Chaksurun Militam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave
Namaha.
Sri Chaitanya Manobhistam Stavitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Swapadam Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Yuta Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaisnavam Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Tantam Sajivam Sadhutam Sadhutam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakanitasya He Krishna
Krishna Karuna
Jagatpate Gopesa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute
Sestute
Kancana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrisabhanusute Devi Pranamami Hare Priye Vancha Kalpatarubhyasya Kripa Sindhubhya Evacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha
Namo Namaha.
Jaya
Shri
Sri
Krishna
Krishna Chaitanya
Chaitanya
Prabhu
Prabhu
Nityananda
Nityananda
Shri
Shri
Advaita
Advaita
Gadadara
Gadara
Srivasadi
Srivasati
Gaura
Gaura
Bhakta
Bhakta Vrinda.
Hare Krishna
Hare
Krishna
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 Hare
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 Rama
Rama
Hare
Hare
Rama
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 Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Okay. Gotta start. Share the screen. So now we're going to read text 4 of chapter 1. Okay. You are with the book also. You can see here in the
Yeah.
yeah. If it is big enough, clear enough, right?
Yeah.
Atra Shura Maheshwasa
Atra Shura Maheswasa
Bhimarjuna Samayuthi
Bhimajuna Samadhyoti
Yuyudhano Viratascha
Yuyuthano Virastas
Cha
Sha
Viratascha yeah.
Virastasha
Drupadascha Maharatah
Drupadasya Maharatha
Ratah Atra Shura Maheswasa.
Atra Shura Mahesha Swasa
Yeah, here we don't separate it. Maheswasa.
Maheswasa
Yeah, correct. Bhimarjuna Samayuthi
Bhimashuna Samajoti
Yuyudhano Viratascha
Yuyuthano Virastasa
Drupadascha Maharatah.
Drupasya Maharatha.
Drupadascha Maharatha.
Drupadasya Maharatha.
Atra Shura Maheshwasa.
Atra Shura Maheswasa.
Bhimarjuna Samayudhi.
Bhimashuna Samajoti.
Yuyudhano Viratascha.
Yuyuthano Virastasya.
Drupadascha Maharatha.
Drupadasya Maharatha.
Your turn, and then I will repeat after you.
Okay. Oh, I forgot. Atras. Oh, I forgot how to.
This one?
Yeah, forgot how to make the. You know, I know how to read, but I don't know.
Yeah, sh, like Siwa, sh, like that.
Yeah.
Sh. Atrashu.
Atrashura Maheswasa.
Atrashura Maheshwasa.
Bhima Shuna Samayoti.
Bhimarjuna Samayudhi.
I don't know how to make the
Na 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 na, like that.
Dano Viratasya.
Okay. Yuyudhano Viratascha.
I don't know how to make.
Drupadascha Maharatha. Yeah.
Drupadasya Maharatha.
Drupadascha Maharatha. Okay, very good. Okay, now we read translation and purport by His Divine Grace, Abhijaya Naravana Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Kita.
Atra.
Here. Suraha.
Suraha.
Heroes.
Surah.
Yeah, not Sora.
Surah.
No, there is Sura, Asura, right? Sura,
Yeah.
Sura. But here Shura means heroes. One who is very brave. One is very. Maha Isu Asaha.
Maha Isu Asaha.
Yeah. Bowman.
I don't understand.
You know bowman. Bow is Tenu. Bowman is one who. Yeah.
Okay.
One who is archer. People who do archery. That's Bhima Arjuna.
Bhima Arjuna.
To Bhima and Arjuna.
Okay. To Bhima and Arjuna.
Samaha. Equal. Yudhi. In the fight. The Prayot. Yeah.
Okay.
Yuyudhana. Yuyudhana.
Who is Yuyudha?
It's another name. Another name of Virataha. Virata. Cha. Also. Drupadaha. Drupada. Cha. Also. Maharatha. Great fighter. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace, Abhijaya Naravana Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. Translation. Here in this army are many heroic bowmen, equal in fighting to Bhima and Arjuna. Great fighters like Yuyudhana, Virata, and Drupada. Please can you repeat after me? Here in this army are many heroic bowmen, equal in fighting
equal in fighting
to Bhima and Arjuna.
to Bhima and Arjuna.
Great fighter like Yuyudhana,
Great fighters like Yuyudhana,
Virata and Drupada.
Virata and Drupada.
Okay, so here we read the purport. It is very short purport. Maybe we can, usually if we have a very short purport, we can also read the next verse because it is very short. And okay, we will also discuss different personality here. We read the purport first. Even though Drishtadyumna was not a very important obstacle in the face of Dronacharya's very great power in the military art, there were many others who were causes of fear. They are mentioned by Duryodhana as great stumbling block on the path of victory because each and every one of them was as formidable as Bhima and Arjuna. He knew the strength of Bhima and Arjuna and thus compared the others with them. So here in the Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada mentioned that Dhritarajumna is not a very important obstacle in the face of Dronacharya. You know, Dhritarajumna is the son of Drupada. Is actually the student of Dronacharya.
Mm.
So it's just like a student. Student usually it's just in front of Dronacharya is the teacher of Dhritarajumna and also the teacher of everybody there, the teacher of Pandava and Kaurava as well. So according to this calculation, Drishtadyumna is nothing actually. although it's like that. Yeah. So and Duryodhana mentioned other people here because Duryodhana know the power of Bhima and Arjuna. Bhima, Bhima is like Duryodhana is very hate, how to say, is very enmity with Bhima. Because both of them they Gada is like a club. If you see Indian, you remember Hanuman? Ever you see the movie of Hanuman? That what he hold, that is Gada or club.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but Duryodhana and Bhima, they are expert in the, how to say, in fighting with the club, with the Gada.
Bhima and Duryodhana, what is their relationship?
Cousin brother. Bhima is one of the Pandava, Bhima is, in the Pandava, first is Yudhishthira Maharaj, and he is actually the son of Yamaraj.
Oh, okay.
Son from Yamaraj, from Dharmaraj, Yama, Yamaraj.
Okay.
And then second is Bhima.
Okay.
Bhima is the son of Vayu. I mean, Kunti Devi invite Vayu to get these children, to get his. And then Arjuna. And then after Arjuna, there is Nakula and Sahadeva. Nakula and Sahadeva is twin brother.
Okay.
So they are very handsome. And then Duryodhana is the eldest son of Dhritarashtra. So here, by this calculation, that Drishtadyumna is not that good. I mean, in front of Dronacharya, because Dronacharya is the teacher of everybody there, and Dronacharya is the Senapati. In the Senapati and from the Kaurava, and Drishtadyumna is from Pandava side. It's like brother-in-law for Pandava. Drishtadyumna is like brother, because Draupadi is his sister. So we can continue to read another, because it is very short and not much to. If you see that movie, you will understand actually. But there is to see that movie need a lot of time. I mean, when you free, that would be good.
I to watch this kind of movie. I really like to watch in cartoon actually.
In cartoon,
Yeah.
we don't have fun because this is a very long series, you know. I think,
Okay.
and this movie, it is from very beginning, you know, from very beginning, even from the father of Bhismadev. Bhismadev is the grandfather of Pandava and Kaurava also. So this story start from long behind that, actually.
Okay. I
And
see.
as always mentioned that Bhisma actually, yeah, a lot of things. The birth of Bhisma actually is the son of Ganga, and a lot of things. Okay, we can continue. Actually, if somehow next time you have time, maybe if you want, we can also read from this book. Where there is a book also already simplified by devotees, Krishna Dharma Prabhu, that about Mahabharata from very beginning. Now we are in Bhagavad Gita. It's actually the essence of Mahabharata. Now we're still in this setting scene before the war, before the
Okay.
Bhagavad Gita spoken here. So we can
Yeah.
continue to the next verse. We can read also 1.5. Still mentioning about different personalities like this.
Yeah.
Drishta ketuscha kitana.
Oh my God. Drista
Ketus
Drista Ketus
cekitana.
Sekitana
Kasi rajascha viryavan.
Kashirachasa again?
Cha
Sa Cha
wiryavan.
Kasiracha Chaviryavan
Yeah. If you see it like this, in Sanskrit mean
Van
cha.
Cha.
It's not in like in English. So this is like ch, like that
Okay,
sound.
Cha.
Cha, yeah. Whenever you see this like this is ch in English sound. It's not k. It is ch.
Okay.
Yeah. Kasi rajascha viryavan.
Kashirachas Kaviryavan
Kasi rajascha viryavan.
Kasirachas Chaviryavan
Purujit kunti bojascha.
Kuntishit
Puru.
Puruchit Kunti Boscha Chascha
Yeah, okay. Saibhyascha narapungavaha.
Saibhyascha Nara Punganaha
Punga.
Punga
It is like ngo, you know? Yeah.
Pungava
Ha, gavaha.
Gavaha
Yeah, okay. One more. Drishtaketuscha kitana.
Drishtaketus again at last one.
Chekitana.
Chekitana
Kashirajascha viryavan.
Kashirachas Chaviryavan
Purujit kunti bojascha.
Puruchit Kunti Boschascha
Shaibhyascha narapungavaha.
Saibhyas Chanara Cha Saibhyas Chanarapungavaha
Okay. Now your turn.
Drishtaketu Chekitanaha.
Chekitana. Here we don't read ha because why actually this is in one it's not in the last of pada. This one we call pada This is also one pada. This is also one pada. This is also one pada. So if it is in the middle, in the second, in the first pada, we just read normal. But here, punggawaha, we say punggawaha because at the last of the second pada. If we found H here, we also can say ha, punggawaha, something like that.
Okay.
Okay, now can repeat. Your turn.
Drishtaketus Shekitana.
Drishtaketu Shekitana.
Kashirachas
Wiryawan. Kashirajascha Wiryawan.
Puruchit Kuntibojascha.
Purujit Kuntibojascha.
Saibhyascha Nara Pungavaha.
Saibhyascha Nara Pungavaha. That's good. Very good. Yes, that's very good. Still beginning, but this is very good. Drishtaketuhu.
Drishtaketu
Drishtaketu. Cekitanaha.
Cekitanaha Nah
Cekitana.
Cekitana
Kashirajaha.
Kashitaraja
Kashirajaha.
Kashirajaha
Kashiraja.
Kashiraja
Cha. Also. Wiryawan. Very powerful.
Very powerful.
You know, in Khmer also, Wirya Puroh, you know? The heroes, you know? What?
Virya.
Yeah, Wirya Buroh.
Yeah, we say Virya Bera. It's
Yeah.
like kind of
heroes, right?
Hero, yeah.
Yeah, Wirya man, one who is very brave, powerful.
Okay.
One mean one who possess. So very powerful. Wiryawan is very powerful. Okay. So Wirya Buroh. Buroh is mean personality, right? So okay. Puruchit. Kuntibojaha.
Kuntiboja.
You know, other people like Indonesian people call this country, no, I mean Khmer, in Cambodian country as Kamboja, you know.
Oh, why?
Yeah, I somehow it's like Kamboja like that. And actually in ancient time also Cambodia is called as Kamboja.
Yeah.
Kamboja. But somehow is in Indonesia we call Kamboja.
Okay.
So because it's mentioned actually in ancient time, all the world is only in one behind, is under the empire, one empire actually, long time ago. Cha. N. Yeah, N.
Cha N. Why?
Also
translate
N.
there. Okay.
Sometimes different meaning, you know.
Yeah.
Sanskrit is like that. Also and N. Sometimes the same word have different meaning. Different because Sanskrit. For example, Atma.
Yeah.
Atma have many meaning. At least 3 meaning. The first one sometime refer to body.
Okay.
And sometimes mean to the mind. And sometimes mean as the soul. So the same Atma. Yeah. Like here maybe because Buddhists they say, refer to himself as Atma. Mean. Like so myself. Yeah, related to the self. And self can be like a body or a mind and in the soul, depend on people's.
Prefer
So,
to.
okay.
Hmm.
Cha and Nara Pungavaha.
Narapongka
Pungavaha.
Pongavaha.
Yeah. Hero in human society.
Okay, hero in human society.
In translation, there are also great heroic, powerful fighters like Drishtaketu, Cekitana, Kasiraja, Purujit, Kuntiboja, and Saibhya. Yeah. Yes. No purport here. We can continue. Actually, here is mentioning Duryodhana is mentioning the people who is in the Pandava side, in other side. Yeah. Still many personality also. Purujit, Kasiraja, Cekitana, and Saibhya. Saibhya is, yeah, there's a lot of
Yeah, a lot of name.
a lot of
Who
names.
are they? They are the
Yeah,
name of.
in Pandava side, all of them either the friend or whoever. It is in Pandava side.
Okay.
Yeah, Drishtaketu. And in relation with that, actually there is a very detail in Mahabharata. A very detail. How is relation this person and this
Okay.
person with him, like this. And okay, we continue to the next. Here also no, we just read here. Yuda Manushya Vikranta.
Yuda Manush.
Manus. Yuda
Manusya
Vikranta.
Vikranta.
Utamaujascha Viryavan.
Oh my God, what is that?
Utamau.
Utamau Jasjavi Viryavan.
Okay, good. Saubhadro Draupadeyascha.
Saubhadro Draupade
Yes.
Yascha
Sarva eva Maharataha.
Sarva Eva Maharataha
Yudha Manushya Vikranta.
Yuthama Manusya Vikranta
Utamaujascha Viryavan.
Utamauchascha Viryavan
Okay. Saubhadro Draupadeyascha.
Saubhadro Draupadeyascha
Sarva eva Maharataha.
Sarva Eva Maharataha.
It's your turn.
Oh my God. Yodas Manus Chavi Granta.
Yudha Manushya Vikranta.
Utama
Utamau.
Utamau Jasjavi Viryan Van
Utamaujascha Viryavan. Next.
Saubhadro
Drau.
Drau Saubhadrau
Saubhadro.
Sabadro Draupade Yascha
Saubhadro Draupadeyascha.
Sarva Eva Mahasrataha.
Sarva eva Maharataha. Yudha Manyuhu.
Yudha Manyohu
Yudha Manyu. Cha
Cha
and
and
Vikrantaha.
Vigrantaha,
mighty,
mighty.
Utamaujaha,
Utamaujaha,
Utamauja,
Utamauja.
Cha,
Ja
and
and
Viryavan,
Viryavan,
very powerful.
very powerful.
Saubhadraha,
Saubhadraha,
the son of Subhadra.
the son of Subhadra.
Subhadra is the sister of Krishna, Krishna's sister.
Oh.
Yeah, and become wife of Arjuna.
Oh, okay. Subhadra.
So Arjuna has several wives, actually. One or two. Two, I think. Two, if I don't mistake. So I think the first one is Draupadi, and then
Drupadi.
Subhadra. Subhadra is the sister of Krishna. And Saubhadra means the son of Subhadra. It means Abhimanyu. Yes.
Okay.
And Draupadeyaha,
Draupadeyaha,
the sons of Draupadi.
the son of Draupadi.
So Draupadi have 5 sons. Each is one from Yudhishthira, one from Bhima, one from Arjuna, and then one from each Nakula and Sahadeva. So she have 5 sons. 5 sons. So all of them they call Draupadeyaha. Draupadeyaha. Like Saubhadra is the son of Subhadra, and Draupadeyaha is the son of Draupadi. Cha,
and
Sarve,
Sarve,
all.
Like
you remember the word sop.
Sop, okay.
And then how you write it?
Sop.
As
How you write?
so po chengwo, right?
Wait,
Sop tengai, for example.
Yeah. Like that.
Sop tengai mean these days.
Yeah.
But it's sarwa. Sarwa is something like that, but I think that is from in Khmer word is taken from the Pali maybe. But sarva, sarva is all like this in relation with that. Eva, certainly.
Certainly.
Maharathaha, great chariot fighters.
Great chariot fighter.
Like Maha mean Moha. Moha mean great.
Yeah.
Maha Isai, Maha Riyat. Rataha mean a chariot fighter. If we say Ratah, only Ratah mean the chariot or the Roteh. Yeah. But here is long A. Rataha mean one who, in the army there is army who just walking. That we call infantry, right?
Yes.
We call infantry, and somebody will be in the chariot, like for example with the horses or elephant. And we call as see, I forgot. Infantry, and then I forgot this infantry, and then one who is riding something like a horse is called I forgot the term, English term. And anyhow, this is chariot fighters, mean the warrior or army who is riding like a chariot. So there is also no purport here. We just read this. There are the mighty Yudhamanyu, the very powerful Utamauja, the son of Subhadra, and the sons of Draupadi. All these warriors are great chariot fighters. So, yeah, Uttamauja, son of Subhadra, 5. No, only one. We call Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu is there, the son of Subhadra. So the teacher of Abhimanyu actually Krishna himself, because
Okay.
it's like a nephew, right?
Yeah.
Nephew of Krishna. And actually the son of Subhadra was killed. He is still very young at that time, and actually is very strong. But from other side, the Kaurava actually like trick him, and one just actually he is still like a boy, like not so, is still young, very young, and all people from the Kaurava actually blocked him, and then he died. Actually. The son of Subhadra, Abhimanyu, actually died in front of. But that fighting was not fair, because he only one person, and then everybody attacked him. And that time, Arjuna became very furious because they trick him. They keep Arjuna far away, and then everybody is attacking this Abhimanyu, son of Subhadra. And son of Drupadi, there are 5 I mentioned. Each one from the Pandava. Okay, so it's mentioning about different personalities in Pandavas. We can continue, right?
Yes.
Because you have a lot of time, right?
Yeah, I still have time.
Okay, continue to this. Okay, still, it's very quick like this. Asmakam tu vishistaye.
Asmakam tu vishistaye.
Tanni buddha dvijottama.
Tanni bodha. Sige. Dvijottama.
Nayaka mama sainyasya.
Nanaka mama Sainyasya.
Samgyartang tan bravimite.
I don't know how to read this.
Samgyartam
Samyatam
tan bravimite. Okay. Asmakam tu vishistaye.
Asmakam tu vishistaye.
Tanni buddha dvijottama.
Tanni bodha vijottama.
Tanni buddha dvijottama.
Tanvi bodha dvijottama.
Nayaka mama sainyasya.
Nayaka mama
Sainyasya.
Sanjasya.
Samhyartam tan bravimite.
Samjatam tan bravimite.
Yeah, if you in the next time, if you find this 3 combination, we can read as Gya or Gya.
Yeah, again? Can you read?
Gya.
Gya.
Yeah.
Samgyartam.
Yeah.
Samgyatam.
Yeah. Some people they read Jna, but usually according to Srila Prabhupada, we read it as Gya. Sangyartam tan bravimite. Okay. Asmakam. Our. To. But. Vishistaha. Especially powerful.
especially powerful.
Ye,
Uh, okay,
who?
wait.
Ye.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who,
Who
tan,
tan
them.
them.
Nibuddha,
Nibbodha.
just take note of.
Just take note of.
Or
Be
be informed.
informed.
Dwija Uttama,
Be informed.
Dwija Uttama,
Vidya Uttama.
or best of the Brahmanas.
Oh, best of the Brahmana.
You know, Dwija means twice born, or sometimes referred to Brahmana. And Uttama is like, in Khmer word we call Odam. Uttama.
Down.
Odam is like highest, like I Odam, or something like it, right?
Yeah.
Dwija means twice born.
Yeah.
Twice born means one who born twice. One is born from the mother, biological mother, and then second one is born because of the training, and then what is it, born from the spiritual master, from the spiritual teacher. So this is called Dwija, born twice born. Born first biologically from the mother, and then the second is, how to say, when they become the student, and they is called become, I'd say, the second born. Dvijatama. Yes, and usually refer to the Brahmanas. Uttama means the highest, so or the best of the Brahmanas. And then Nayakaha, Nayakaha, captains. Captain.
Captain.
Yeah, like Nayok, Rat Mantri, Nayok, okay, Nayok Salah, Nayok Captain, like a leader. Captain, you know, is similar.
Yeah.
Mama,
Mama.
my. Sanyasya,
Sanyasya
of the soldiers.
of the soldier.
This is from the word Sena, you know, from the Sena. Sanyasya, yeah. Samgya Artam.
Sangya Atam. Yeah.
For information.
For information.
Yeah, Samgya like understanding. Artam is the purpose. Artam is the purpose. For example, art kembang, you know. If in Khmer word, this is like art kembang.
Yeah.
Art mean, let's say, like the purpose. Yeah, artam is purpose. Like samgya is like understanding. So is meaning for information. Tan, them. Bravimi, I am speaking. Te, to you. Yeah, so actually in Sanskrit word is very, how to say, is very systematic. For example, in Khmer we say, for you, everything is the same. For you, for example, roboh kenyom, semrap kenyom, semrap nia. That's only using the same word, right? For example, jompoh nia, roboh nia, using the same word. But in Sanskrit, there will be different. For you, or my shoes, or your shoes, or my shoes, and then to you is different. That's why that is we call declination of the word. So there is a subject. The same word for the subject will be different for the object. I will. It's just very, very intricate. But it's just very systematic, actually. Like also with Russian language, also German language, they also facing the same. Like they change at the end of the word, and then it will mean different. For example, aham mean me. I mean I. Aham mean I. But if I see to me, it mean mom. Like I, aham. Like to me, mom. And for example, my shoes, for example, here, like mama in my, like this. Yeah, so it's just a different word. So it's not easy to study Sanskrit, but it's possible. Need very if you want to study Sanskrit, we need to be very. But anyhow, by studying Bhagavad Gita, will know some word. And you can just. And then we just. But for your information, O best of the Brahmanas, let me tell you about the captains who are especially qualified to lead my military force. So it's actually still Duryodhana speaking. So he was mentioning about this five who are in the Pandava side, and then in the next verse he will mention about who is in his side. Yeah. Remember that this is Duryodhana speaking. Duryodhana speaking to Dronacharya, to his teacher, spiritual teacher, and was mentioning the people who is in the army in the Pandava side. And for the next verse, he will mention about who are in the other side.
Okay.
So maybe we if you need to stop, we can stop actually, because we already cover few depend on your time.
Yeah, I still have time.
Okay, so we can read this then. Bhavan Bhismascha Karnascha
Bhavan Bhisma Chakarna Cha
Kripascha Samiti Jayaha
Gripacha Samit
Samiti Jayaha
Samitim Jayaha
Asvathama Vikarnascha
Aswathama Vikarnasha
Saumadattis Tathaivacha.
Saumadatis Tathaivacha.
Okay, we can just read now, because don't need every time to yeah, we can separate them. Bhavan, your good self.
Your good self.
Bhismaha,
Bhismaha,
grandfather Bhisma.
grandfather Bhisma.
Cha,
Also.
Karnaha,
Karnaha.
Cha. Oh, sorry, Karna. Okay, Cha. And. Kripaha. Kripa. Cha. And. Samiting Jayaha. Always victorious in battle. Aswatama.
No.
Vikarnaha. Vikarna. Cha. As well as. Samadatihi. The sons of Samadata.
The son of Samada. The son of Samadha.
Samadata.
Samadata.
Yeah. Tatha
Tatha
as well as Eva,
Eva
certainly.
certainly.
Cha
Cha
also.
also.
The translation and purport by His Divine Grace, Abhijana and Bhaktivinoda Swami Srila Prabhupada. Translation. There are personalities like you, Bhisma, Karna, Kripa, Aswatthama, Vikarna, and the sons of Sonamadatta, called Burisrava, who are always victorious in battle. Okay, purport. Duryodhana mentioned the exceptional heroes in the battle, all of whom are ever victorious. Vikarna is the brother of Duryodhana. Aswatthama is the son of Dronacharya. Samadati or Burisrava is the sons of the king Bahlikas. Karna is the half-brother of Arjuna, as he was born of Kunti before her marriage with King Pandu. Kripacharya's twin sister married Dronacharya. So here we can explain a little bit. So Vikarna is the brother of Duryodhana. Duryodhana is the eldest, and then there is also another brother's name, Dusasana, and then Vikarna is also the brother of Duryodhana. So here, all of this is in the side of Kaurava, in the side of Duryodhana. And Aswatthama is the son of Dronacharya, you know. Do you remember?
No.
Dronacharya is the teacher of everybody here.
Okay.
So Aswatthama is the son of this.
Okay.
Do you remember that one time I told you that Dronacharya's son want to drink milk? And then Dronacharya was having difficult situation. He could not even buy milk.
Oh yeah. You told me because his family poor and he
poor.
want to go to see his friend.
Yeah.
To ask for help.
Yeah. And then so Dronacharya was giving him to say Aswatthama the rice, to say the water when we boil
from the rice. Okay.
So it's the Dronacharya. This is the son of Dronacharya. And then Aswatthama, because this war is actually for 18 days. So the last day is actually after everybody died, Dronacharya died, Bhisma died, and Duryodhana at the time not die yet, but Aswatthama actually then start become the leader of the last, because they fight till everything till die. So Aswatthama was leading the plan, but he was very, very bad because he want to kill the son. He want to kill the Pandava when they are asleep. Okay. They wanted to do that, but so although he is the son of the Brahmana, the son of the teacher, but he was very, very bad also, not having that. But actually, Dronacharya loved him very much because he's his son. It's just natural. But Aswatthama actually is good person, but somehow because he was somehow become the leader that time, so his plan was very bad. He want to kill the Pandavas while they are sleeping. So one time, usually in the battle like this, nighttime is not used for war. In ancient time like this, the regulation on the war is only till when the sun set, everything stop.
Okay.
It's not like in modern days, like whenever time it's easy to attack enemy, then will attack. No, that time is very fair. There is a regulation how the war is, like a competition like that. Yeah. But it is with fair. So after sunrise, then start war. The whole day. The whole day. And then after that, and then the leader, the leader is not sitting behind like modern days. The leader is far away and then pressing the tumble and give the order from far away. It's not like that. Like the leader, like the king, he is front. He's in front. He's not behind like that. Because they qualified and they brave. They have really power and they brave. For them, it's considered, for example, in the battle, it's better die than coming back with the defeat. Yeah, it's actually Kshatriya have that very strong. The leader is not behind. So they lead and in front, they really in the battle. Not in modern day, the leader is just sitting behind and just give the order. And then one who dies mean the army, like how to say, like ordinary army will die first. It's not like that. So in the battle, ancient battle, the leader is in front, in the front side. And then, Aswatthama. And then here and again, so he actually, Aswatthama want to kill Pandava when they still sleep. And somehow he on the night time, he come to the camp of the Pandava. And he was seeing five personality in the bed with the head is covered. With the head that is covered. And he think that they are Pandava.
Oh, okay.
And with his sword, he kill 5 of them.
So, can you tell me who those 5?
Those 5 actually the son of Draupadi.
Oh, okay.
The 5 son of Draupadi being killed that time.
Okay.
So he think that he is the Pandavas. So he was wrong. But this kind of thing is very not fair actually. It's very bad. So it is the last day actually, when Duryodhana nearly died. Yeah. So he was appointed to be the commander, but his plan is very bad like that. And actually, even Duryodhana actually not agree with that plan. Duryodhana is not agree with that plan. And still, after this killing, then after the Pandava know this thing, then who do this thing is very, very heinous thing. So then Arjuna went to find out, and Aswatthama actually ran away. Duryodhana actually, Aswatthama actually bringing the head of them, bring the head of them and then bring to Duryodhana. Duryodhana actually was agree to this plan to kill Pandavas while they sleep. And then Aswatthama bring the head of them. And Duryodhana, okay, bring that head to me. And Duryodhana crush it with his hand, and it breaks. Oh, then Duryodhana knows. So you have false. You false. It is not Pandava, because if that is the Pandava, he will not be able to crush. Duryodhana is very powerful, so he can crush that head. Then actually Duryodhana no, this is not Pandava, and somehow Duryodhana died after fighting with Bhima. Actually, Duryodhana died after fighting with Bhima. And then because Bhima, actually when the insult of Draupadi, he was swearing, I will break I will break what to say, the hips of Duryodhana. And then Aswatthama again ran away, and he want to kill the last of the Pandava. Actually he cannot do that. He cannot kill Pandava, but he want to kill the descendant of Pandava. The descendant of Pandava actually the grandson of Arjuna. So you remember Subhadra? Subhadra is the sister of Krishna. And then the son of Subhadra with Arjuna is Abhimanyu. And Abhimanyu was killed. Abhimanyu was killed in the battlefield. And then the wife of Abhimanyu actually already pregnant that time. Already pregnant. When the time of battle is already pregnant. And the Abhimanyu son, his name later on become Parikshit, which actually become the emperor actually. Because the son of Draupadi already died. All of them already died. And only left this one, Parikshit, which is the son of Abhimanyu. And the wife is Uttara. So then Aswatthama, after run away, he still, because he was afraid of Arjuna. He was afraid because Arjuna can defeat him. So then actually Aswatthama want to release the weapon we call Brahmastra. The Brahmastra is a weapon that can destroy everything. Destroy everything. And it's like nuclear. Srila Prabhupada mentioned it like a nuclear, but only going to the target. Nuclear weapon in modern days will, for example, if coming down to the market, everybody will die, right?
Yeah.
But this weapon we call Brahmastra is only destroying the target. Only destroying the target. Nobody else will get affected. So this sign is lost in modern days, is lost. But it's controlled by mantra, you know. It's controlled by the perfection of mantras. And to get this also there is austerities, tapasya. So Aswatthama actually released this because he was afraid actually. He ran away. He ran away and he was afraid. Oh, Arjuna is following me to catch me, like that. And Aswatthama released this weapon we call Brahmastra. And then this Brahmastra only can be counteract with another Brahmastra. So Arjuna also know how to release this weapon. So still that time Arjuna with Lord Krishna is trying to catch Aswatthama. Aswatthama is run away and he was afraid, like this, and he released this weapon, and then oh, Krishna and Arjuna know that this is Brahmastra weapon. Oh, Krishna, now this is very difficult time that he releasing Brahmastra. And then Lord Krishna says, you don't have any choice. You have to counteract with another Brahmastra. And actually, if this weapon meet together, it will it will make a destruction to the world. Actually, it's a very dangerous weapon. Actually, very dangerous. Will destroy everything. So, but Arjuna don't have any choice, and Lord Krishna asked him, okay, you have to contract with another Brahmastras. Okay, so then when the weapon meet together, just before the weapon meet together, actually is what was not meet. Already the sound everywhere is like a thunder and everything is like destroying. Like there is will be, how to say, like the world will be destroyed. Like that. So Vyasadeva is actually the compiler of the Veda, and he is also very powerful. And he said, hey, Aswatthama, why you release this? And he was angry to Aswatthama. Why you release this weapon? It is very dangerous weapon. And Arjuna, he don't have any choice because he have to counteract. So now, Aswatthama, please take the weapon back. And actually, Aswatthama is not able to draw back the how to say, the weapon, because he's not completely studying from his father Dronacharya. But Arjuna, no, he is very Arjuna studied this very completely, and he can draw back. So Arjuna draw back his Brahmastra, and then Aswatthama, he was thinking, no, I cannot attack Arjuna again because Vyasadeva already stopped him. And Aswatthama cannot draw back, cannot take back the weapon. So he should change the direction. So he was very cruel. So he want to direct this weapon to the womb of Uttara, the son of Abhimanyu, was pregnant that time, already pregnant that time. So before that actually like this, Aswatthama being catch first. Aswatthama being catch, and then now it is actually described in Srimad Bhagavatam also. Beside in Mahabharata is also described in Bhagavatam. And what punishment now need to be given to him, to Aswatthama, because already catch. And that Krishna asked him to kill. But Draupadi, because she is a woman, and he is very soft-hearted, and he asked, don't kill him, because he is the son of our guru, like that. It is not good to kill the son of our guru, although he is very bad, but he is the son of our guru. It's not proper to kill him. And then Bhima said, kill him. Lord Krishna also kill him, like that. And then Arjuna is very, very intelligent. So he just, Arjuna just take out the diamond in the, tengah, in the tengah. For the Brahmanas, they will have, in the tengah here, they will put the diamond like that. So Arjuna just kill that. No, just take out that, and then cut the hair, for the Brahmanas, they will have the hair like this behind, like how to say in Khmer, so they're like that, like this. For example, we call it like shika, like this. The Brahmanas, they will have that kind of. So Arjuna just cut that also, and then take out the diamond in front of Tengah. But Aswatthama actually is still alive, and he wander, he going somewhere else, and the punishment is that Aswatthama will always how to say, feel guilty for his action. Yeah. And actually, the weapon is addressed to the womb of Uttara to kill the Parikshit over there. And somehow Lord Krishna appear and save him. Yeah. The Brahmastras cannot be counteracted by any else than other Brahmastras or by Krishna himself. So this is Aswatthama, the son of Dronacharya. And Burisrava also is King Bahlika's. Karna, you remember, right? I told you earlier. He's the half brother of Pandavas. He was born before Kunti married to Pandu, because she want to try that mantra, whether it's really working or not. This mantra, she was curious, but then he tried to invite Surya, and he really came and get the blessing of the sun, and she was confused. So how now I'm not getting married yet, and now I have a son. What they will say about me? So he sent the baby to the river, and then was found by this Ratha, Adhiratha, and considered become their son. But actually, is the eldest among the son of Kunti actually. And Kripacharya is also another teacher. He is twin sister of the Kripi and married to Dronacharya. So he is like a brother. This is Kripacharya is the brother of Kripi. Kripi is Dronacharya's wife. So maybe will be enough here for today. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
enthusiastic. And we'll what day tomorrow will be? Thursday. And hopefully
Tomorrow it's Friday. Today is Thursday.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, I forgot. Oh, okay, tomorrow is Friday. Okay. So will you go back very late tonight?
No.
Not sure.
Today I'm not late. Normally on Wednesday I'm always late.
Yeah.
And for Thursday, no, not that late. But what time will we do the chanting today?
The chanting today will be at 8 o'clock.
Okay, so I will join.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Hare
Thank
Krishna,
you so
Hare
much.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Jai Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Akun Charan.
Charan.
Hare Krishna.